Liberty stock number 51291 is a Fanuc Robodrill Alpha-T21iFL. Serial number P085WH663, new 2008. It's got a Fanuc 21iA5 controller. Not shown is the Noble 2-pallet push-pull pallet changer and the coolant filtration system.
That's right, we got all the decks.
Yep.
Yeah, rough and power. We can look at three sides of it here. The other side's boxed out a little bit. Good to go, yeah.
Yes, we...
The pallets in it. We go this way, yeah. Nothing on this side really to see the consequence. Come around the back. I've got the down low, all the hookup for the pallet changer, of course. My temp line coming in, oiler, and of course the panel itself. It's all looking good here. It's clean. Stay. Hang on a second. There we go. Pretty much see everything. That's everything.
Yep. That's good.
Yeah, okay. And that's about it. Like I said, nothing else to show back here. There are some books on the other side. And the rest of the air package there, right? There. Show some of that. And there you go.
Okay. Tight. You're right.
There was a window there. You made it through?
Yeah.
Okay. Books on your lower left down here for what it's worth. That's documentation-wise. And there is a card in there too, a PCM card I think we got with this. That said, all I can do is manual operation on this thing. We have no programs in there, so we can move some things around, and that's kind of where we're at here. So
good.
In jog, yeah, let me see if I can get my bearings here. Z down, where are we at? Let me get a different time. And Z down in 25% rapid.
Yeah, I'm not going to hear anything with
No, you won't. We'll kind of go slow here. Just to show that it works, I can do it again. There's a lot of air on this machine. Just shut off in a second. Yeah. I'll go to 50%, a little bit faster. Let's see.
Good.
If I don't lose it. Sounds nice. To level this thing out, but there goes my door. And maybe Z a little bit. Let's see. Bring Z down. Yeah, it'll stay if I stop moving things around. Whoa, look out. That was close. Yep, so I'll let it go back home on the tool change. That all looks good. Let me center the table back up again. Get X back over here, bring Y out a little bit. I'm just here holding the rapid button in. The pulse generator, I think, works. Yeah, there we go. That's all good. X, Y, Z. Yep. That said, we can jump into MDI, and well, I should get to a program mode or something. That would help. 06, T, what have I got there? We're on number 10. We'll go to number 19. Okay, that'll work. T19. Insert that. Let's see if that works. Let's get a tool change. And we go back to 10 one more time, just because. I get it? Yeah, I got it. Let's try. Let's go back to 10. And back in jog. Jog with my position screen. Bring the Z down a little bit. And I was just gonna, well, I already had programmed a spindle speed in here, so we could just jump on. I forgot where I left it at in jog. Let me go down a few. Spindle on. 3,000 right there. So okay, and now I'm at what percentage? 30%. So I can ramp it up now. I think I programmed it at 10. I'm not sure. So up 4. You can hear it. 40%. I guess it's 10%, huh? Yeah, 5 at 5. Okay, sure. 50 or 5,000. There's 6. 7. Sounds nice. I think it only goes 10. 9. 10. 10. 10.
Yeah, 10 stop.
10 is it, yep.
There you
And
go.
we'll stop at 1 and start it at 10. And one more time, straight up all the way. Did I cover everything? What else can
Yeah.
we play with?
Good, sounds good.
It sounds nice, yeah, it really does. Spindle sounds good. The axes they sound clean.
All right.
Good to